and Shayna. Welcome back to our channel. So as you can tell, we're not in Florida anymore. We're back home in Manchester.
Yeah.
Got to film an intro for the last vlog that's coming out for the last couple of days that we had when we were in Florida. So it's just going to be a compilation of, what's how you say?
Yeah.
Compilation.
Compilation.
I thought it was compilation.
Compilation.
Is it compilation?
Well, it's not spelled C-O-M-P-L. It's spelled C-I-C-O-M-P-I-L.
Alright, what she said. Compilation
So,
of just, you know, videos from the last couple of days that we had when we were in Florida.
yeah.
We're also gonna talk through them.
Yeah, just because like we were just like videoing like our days as we were going, but we wasn't really like speaking or saying what we were doing that much. So we might just like we're just gonna like be speaking through it, telling you what's going on and that, you know. But yeah, so that is the end. That is it. That's what we're doing today, you know.
Yeah.
See you later.
So yeah, enjoy.
So I think we left you off in the last vlog on the 1st of January, New Year's Day, and we went to the beach. So the first day of this vlog is the 2nd of January. Okay, so the 2nd of January we went to Goodwill because we'd been wanting to go to the thrift store while we was out there. So her mum took us to Goodwill and then we found some cute things. I found these jeans.
You'll see them in pictures that we have coming up soon. You can tell we did a content day today.
These jeans were $7. I got no pair of jeans for $7.
Altogether, how much did you pay for it?
Altogether, because I got a bag for my mum as well that was like $10. Altogether I probably paid like $22 or something like that.
Mm-hmm. And I got 2 pairs of jeans, Lebanese, and some, you know, normal denim jeans and some
That
shorts.
look the same. To literally do that.
Anyways, I got 2 pairs of jeans and some shorts. They're really cute. Doesn't matter if they look the same. For $20.
You like that?
Maya. Maya.
Yeah, for you though.
No, for you.
For me.
Yeah, for you.
It's a bit flowery. I mean, I do like flowers, but this doesn't look cute. Could style them cute. It's giving soccer mom chic.
Jesus Christ. It gives ice
Like
skating.
Some Aunt Beth thing.
Some what?
Aunt Beth.
Who?
When she was at the yoga place.
Who?
Aunt Beth.
Aunt Beth.
Is that what she's called in Fresh Prince of Bel-Air?
Aunt Viv.
Aunt Viv.
Oh,
sorry.
girl. I said, who the
What is short? A what short?
After we went to Goodwill, we went to go get tested. We were negative, thank the Lord. What did we do after we went to go get tested?
After we went and got tested, we went to Wawa's just to get something for lunch and stuff. We ended up picking some these drinks up that we'd been wanting to taste. The ones that look like little bowls. Cute. Pineapple color. Which one you want?
Which one's that?
It was a peach chiller. We would probably like this one.
Yeah, I feel like probably peach. What's this one? Melon.
Choco. This one is pineapple. Pineapple
Nah.
chiller.
What's this one?
This one is lime Rita chiller. So let's get 2 of these ones.
Yeah.
Peach ones.
Yeah.
And then we went to the smoke shop near her mum's house and we got her friends wanted some like rolls.
Some blunts.
Some blunts, yeah.
Some Swisher Sweets.
So we got some of them and we got some edibles. So we got some cookies and her mum got some like cereal bar thing.
Yeah.
They
were strong as shit.
I don't think we can probably video in here though, to be honest.
After we left the smoke shop, there's a crystal and holistic shop that was right next door, so let's go check that out. Found lots of cool herbs, a smoking blend, yeah, just really nice.
Oh, so cool. This cat where? Just like walking around.
On the way to Walmart, we tried one of the cookies, the edibles. Like we took one each, and I think it was like half an hour later, we started to feel them when we got into Walmart. I can explain what I was feeling like. It was kind of like in like a film, like when literally like when something kicks in and it just goes boom. You know what I mean? Like when the sound just goes, like, and everything like around you is just like everything just like, I don't know what I'm saying, but like, yeah, it just felt weird. And we were in Walmart like high looking for snacks and that.
Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Fling a rag a rhythm like it's all free. Bossy, house on the coast. My money so long it doesn't know.
I don't really do reflection like. What if we do chocolate? It's like chocolate down there.
Yeah, okay. The kite spot. Jamie.
A14.
Okay. A14. With vanilla icing.
Okay.
It's this one.
We do not need on this right now. Like what icing is on this?
Probably cream cheese.
Oh no,
it's
I
cream
don't.
cheese.
You should get this one.
Alright. Yeah. Guys, we're getting a cake for no reason. To celebrate our last day here. Last 2 days.
Yeah, we got Chinese food when we went back home. Made a little cocktail with the little ball drink that we found. I think that was about it for that night.
Yum. And then the next day, which was the 3rd of January, so this is the day before we left, we went to the river walk with her sister Sherry to get some pics. We didn't get that many pics in America as I would have liked, but we got like a good amount like on the last night, so it was alright. We got some pics over there. It was like nice scenery and stuff. And we went to the restaurant. They filmed there instead in Tampa. Can't remember, I don't know how to pronounce the name, to be honest.
Lately?
But yeah, it was cute there.
You're doing great, sweetie.
I don't want lose you this time, I will no time, I'm again, I really wanna your love, they do me one time. Oh my, I'm gonna go with you. Show me how you feel this night. I'm gonna your love, and I really wanna your love, they do me this time. I need your grace, never regret. Don't get shame, my daddy get sweet baby, somebody nigga say, so you got
if you don't know, or if you don't watch, it was featured in Tampa Bay's. So yeah.
Yeah, we got some drinks there, some snacks. It was cute in there. There was some nice art up in there and that. And then we were just like, then we left and we got a few more pictures in Ybor City. And then we went back home. And that would be the end of what you'll see in the vlog. But yeah, and then it was home time. And then we left.
That's the more problem. That monkey, that's what that bitch ass was trying to deny Mariah. But she ain't yeah, because it was in American ID. In American, it was American ID.
So if any of you guys watch Tampa Bay's, this is like where they filmed. What the dog? Yeah.
Cold was a bad decision. And there was like so much in that cold. What you got on that? I know you don't take I've yet to be to a club here, girl.
You still never been to a club here?
I've been to a club here.
Hey. So that's the end of our video.
If you guys enjoyed watching our first Vlogmas of 2021,
yeah, hopefully next Christmas maybe we'll do like the whole of December, but I feel like this was enough. Like, I don't know how people be putting out videos every single day and all that.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Like, comment and
subscribe.
subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Money, man, I need my